All right, Abuasi for Lieutenant General Williams, Japan, Chief of Defense of Staff. And then they no be key obey press conference. Now press conference not be any say. They were here. They were there to clarify some stuff for Ghanians to understand the main reason why omutimi ede bottle sack omo the sacko omo the bottle and sisa enipa 8 nyina body edi free mountains and so the bar down. Lieutenant Williams Japan na some work nyina na say that wasn't their intention. Now their intention was to use that hospital body bags in Ibido to carry these people and then bring them back from the mountains. And then me have you do not make sure Lieutenant AC Kasana Abuasi for no crow baby. The intention is somebody body bags the body no. Many sure that was the intention. Oh dear, when you contribute video nearby near Twasso.
With the available and appropriate material we have on the ground. We had some body bags at the scene, but the remains were so heated that it was not conducive for the bags to be used. It was in a thick forest, it was getting late. We had the option of leaving our remains there till the following day, and we know what could have happened to the bodies. So the team that was up there assessing the situation decided to use available material they could lay hands on to start to descend the high ground. At the foot of the hill, they met the medical team, and with the body bags that they had, some of which have been also sent from Anglo Gold Ashanti, they kept our fallen heroes in those bags decently.
So Lieutenant General Williams Japan, now some more come. I understand from the fact say or come out to Ghana for soon. Said about Ghana for the Enkasa because recently no Ghana for the Oma Kasa papa because the Ghana for can say almost say a whole important people like this. Mukosisa body ni flu honom baya. Mode bottle yedu cocoa yedu she cocoa. And a modoko far bodies in the free mountains and also at the bay, which is embarrassing. Any particular or more Ghana see it me film with a plane crasher, month me and Fabi Fufu behind man cause about down farmer down. Name of mode bottle the shake cocoa and a modoko far on the bay, which is crazy, which is embarrassing. But then, Anunti Omosha said near Ghana for Sikasana. As a family nim guasie edema omo enuntina omo be press conference to clarify things said be a Ghana for akoma beto omo yam but Charlie, I am here to break things down from my perspective no Lieutenant General Williams Japan I don't think say no credit don kan nyina no enye no credit yemi bi nsam ni mu. All right, so right now Lieutenant General say, Osina bodies na yada aye shit. Enti no, omo the body bags and this omo the chiro omo na akwakọ yese body bags ntimi ye de ntimi contain no omo. Ntimi contain bodies no because a body na yada air shit. Enti it could be zebia e betimi ya na ne bag no mpo. That is what Lieutenant General Williams Japan eka. Na die woman ye say ebra sin no happen ye no omoko ho no oman mo mutirim say omode bag bi ko oman fa bag anko sen komo bo am hu ye pa they will know say with this situation this is what we should do. Ebia bodies ne be ye at that moment no we should create a place for these people ni o de yam block scene no say crime scene grandpa or the young block honum for some time. We should have our people set an area for them, not oma transi, not omode omoniema ehwehwehwe niema mu cause ye hwe movies a esi wo mebede be ade si baby a ye gi honum ni nyina se de be obia enko honum na investigators abetime abe sort nneɛma out mo abɛhwɛ body no kwan bɛfa so de bɛhwɛ body bag mu and that kind of stuff. Yes, sana many nyinaa ansa na ya package. And again, fanese body na ehye ya bo barricade ya tena ho no ma hwe ma bibia to din e ma ne ma dwo ansa na ebia ya sesa gu bag ne mu a ya fa body sin na gu bag no ya sane down e de abakwa the right investigation on the bodies to identify these people say omo anase nya omo a enti asemo a Lieutenant General William Sajapon Ekano ɛhɔ no menene nyaadwo but I know so omo come na to Ghana for wetrim ama Ghana for akoma yede ato omo yam. But to me that is not the truth. It looks like they had more options than Lieutenant General Japan Williams Ekano. And the Lieutenant General Ekan asemi say or say at that time no they were in a thick forest. The whole thing happened in a thick forest. And untino na adiesa in the adiana esano they had to live there. So they had option to leave the bodies over there or go with other options. Into the next option of Mohavi say they came around and then find some bodies and find some bags with my containing bodies in there. But I'm sorry to say that one too I don't coincide with Lieutenant General Williams of Japan. With all due respect, I don't correspond to what he is saying because the reason being is enye say bia me na mewu and enye say bia obia keke na ewu Minister of Defense and then Minister of Environment, including other 6 important people of the country. And sad tragedy yede eto womo enye nipa hunu bia keke o enti at least if you guys are spending time you should spend time and then retrieve the necessary information for Ghanaians. What do you mean by time or call adiesa? Momo barricade, mofa light in sisi honum. You guys should spend time and let people know you guys are doing the necessary work that needs to be done. What is all this that you are saying? No kura no honum ani aka no kura ni amagana for hunu die wom. Any kwansi we beat it around the bush and faso bi ani so. Night no assassin. This one is important information. Military for your dorso. Military for dorso. Personnel in the dorso. Yen for omo engugu obube watch night. Ombe watch night. Obeshe obe stand guard. Making sure say nothing comes in, nothing goes out. But incident in this year, look at the number of people share videos on YouTube. There's no problem, say, for share videos on YouTube. ABR, the people who get it there at the scene at the first time, those people had the right to share the videos. I don't know be anyhow. But mind you, the moment now, I buy military for what do they do? I even saw some military personnel chatting, using their phones, chatting, which is mind busting. Are you crazy? See, you see, serious. These are the things that we should be serious about. We should provide the necessary information to the people. And Samuel Lieutenant General Williams Japan Ekano, I am sorry with all due respect. That is not true. That is not true. And also make another statement say. And based on that situation, and a team decided says sanity there, and yeah, omode bag or the ombe here, while around the bed bomb with me pick and yama or honomono. Then they will do. And Mkonya, Omanya Bibia say bottle no munya na bottle no come say do say ai bottle no omudi so for no na ehye bottle no omudi free so ho ba ye no sa bottle no and for you nothing was shown say bottle na for brand just say din kasa to me say nothing has been done to the bottle na kasa itself din internet didn't na mukasa mudi so for bottle no prevent some heat be. I am so sorry. Say, I'm finding it too difficult to bear what is really going on. I can't. And this is Lieutenant General Williams Japan, Chief of Defense Staff. Ekebeka said, Say tina ye ne sadia. I am so sorry so boy. And then mete assembly woman be your friend no or your MP of Ada deputy majority sweep say whip whatever or your friend honorable comfort say do you say I don't know or share a video be or share audio be a audio na audio no mu nsem no will shock you and at some point no beka say no correct what the woman was saying yes or say play no and crash you a blast here. It at some point Robert say play no someone planted is either someone planted a bomb and now say something actually went wrong and a man in a blast here. A blast here puma body part is spread here. And then they okano at some point menene ya adwene because the plane a crash here. Plane she said den crampona. Since I'm blast here, if she had dimmed she young quadia, the plane will never end shift from the head to toe. It will never bend from the head to toe. At the plane here, the petrol a guhunesi. Inti nieme bu hono mo a se black box no mo so bahunu na information mo amufa mekere ye. Ye hwe woman bi audio no niemra.
Ami. What do you mean? Question be. Se bibi ti se obi ewo sa adwem pobone no a na e target president na e target wan ya
na se president be kra na wo target na wo di ade na kosim na so no anko na osuma obi a e be do be timi aka se ukoyi
there be utimi
play na blast free so play me e blast ya antrase na me can't be been through the planes are acrossing nyina no ba hu se abeti ho abeto from and that from na nipa mu dem nipa ni dem na ase but when play no o kono na wu ni pass e wo from nkrofo atesa pass ni kra wo from ana nipa no we da hase play na wuti mu awabo si bet eya dan na nipa na pete e bi kra koto amrem yesi miense o se dan akoto amrem na o ma se wo ho into play no a blast answer na edru from a blast answer na edru from na ya debrade asese onwehu black pot no ye wo mu bia aban enyi na bi obia ye interested ye nyina ye interested partner ye pese ye hu ye ba ya
eti ma
me answer na edru from
aramo metwase a ade no de ne ye se ekobo oduam na ade ne blast yansa
a blast e boduam a abatum dua no entinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketinketi
helicopter nkete ebi da ha bi da no ha
play crash yo India no who say me pass at nkete ankrofo kita
Debi wo ade kura mu se da ho play na hu se
no na be hwe ho no kra no ante se nipa ni nyina wo mu saa wow inti plane crash dia ye hu bebre e crash na be conform a e da ba bi e da no e be se ana se wo ho nipa ni wo mu na se na mbomu we da ha se na plane na nkete na ni pass nyina atete
because wo huru kura se bia
dia dance pepe se e blast ya nsa na e ba kom e blast ya nte obi kra no so all no o see 30 minutes or 40 minutes to be a plane no e to ho no o sia pass ni bi e wo kwam nte blast one from me na be to nuanim ekopim bia say ada ebia na ewase abansoro wo nkra ha prebi echam no inua na wo wase mansoro na ewo akra ufi airport air force base no mansoro wo no bia bai na betimi awa asen no airport ho ankasa opa bia ho side no inua bai na wase mansoro na ewo ho
Debi ebi nwasen sa
Ebusia, maybe I am just here to give you guys the information. But then, and like I said earlier, at some point in a mini woman, a yard kakra. So, in the name of Buhonomoa, that's a no cribble on never see you, and will see you. na asɛm bi ɔno obi ka wɔhunu sɛ no obi si aka no ɔkyerɛ ma wɔhunu sɛ no obi si akyerɛ kyerɛ w'adwene wɔ comment section hɔ no. My name is Humble. Here's Positive Stance and I'm out. Peace out.